Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos. And today, as you can see in the title, I am making 3 lovely green juices. One of them is kind of like a juice smoothie. The first juice we are making, we are using the ingredients with the green apple. We're using some cucumber and we are using some lemon, right? And we are going to put the lemon in. We're going to put the cucumbers in. And we are going to put the apples in. All right, so we have about a good 13 ounces here. So we're gonna try it and then we're gonna move on to the next juice. All right, so we're gonna try a little bit of our lovely first green juice. And very refreshing, very tangy and light. If you're juicing, if you are a beginner juicer, you'll appreciate it. All right, let's get on to our second juice. All right, my second juice, I am using some pineapple, I am using some lime, I'm using some ginger, I'm using some kale. So I'm going to put the kale, put the pineapple, I'm going to put the lime and the ginger. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and juice this up. Alright, so for our second juice, it made about a good 5 ounces. So we're going to try it. I love the smell of it. Oh my god, this is so good. And the taste of it, I love the spiciness from the ginger and the kale and the pineapple and the lime. This is so good. Oh my goodness, if you're new to juicing, you'll love this juice. Oh my goodness, I love this juice. All right, let's go on to our third juice smoothie. For the third juice, I decided to just make it a smoothie. I'm using avocado, I'm using some matcha, and I'm using some pear, and I'm also using some coconut water. And pour the coconut water in. I'm going to put the pear in, I'm going to put the matcha in, and I am putting the avocado in. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. We are going to try this lovely matcha, pear, avocado, coconut water smoothie together. Okay, it's very interesting. It's just a very peaceful smoothie. And as always, I hope my divines enjoyed this lovely video of my 3 juices and smoothies. But you can definitely juice the pear. Make sure you get pear for the third recipe. Make sure you get pears that are ripe and juicy, and you can juice the pear and then add it to the smoothie and then blend it. Of course, I'll put everything in the description as always. Divines, I want you to continue to be blessed. I want you to continue to be true to yourself as always, and be sure to check out my other videos, my other juicing videos. There will be plenty more as always. Peace, divines.